morning, Josephine. Today, on September 5th, we are celebrating Teachers' Day to honor our very respected teachers and our former president, Dr. S. Radhakrishnan, on his birth anniversary. Teachers are the one who makes all other professions. So, let us pray for all our teachers and everyone around us, our dear and near ones.
We shall overcome, we shall overcome someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday. We shall overcome, we shall overcome, we shall overcome someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday.
The good teacher is like a candle. It consumes itself to light the path of others. Now, let's listen to the words of Aditya Prasad of Standard 10th A.
Every year, 5th September, we celebrate Teachers' Day. It's a day filled with lots of excitement, joy and happiness as students are eagerly looking forward to tell their teachers how and why are they special to us. On this special occasion, I would like to extend my gratitude to every teacher for selfless service and dynamic support. We are always grateful to you. Thank you and happy teaching.
A poem by our friend Namrata S. More than a mentor, you enlighten us, you empower us, you give us the light to discover our ways. You add color to our lives, which was once a blank canvas. Like a lapidist polishing stones, you make us all shine. The magnanimity of your soul is an inspiration to our hearts. Thank you for illuminating us and igniting our minds. Thank you for being great mentors of our lives. Thank you, dear teachers.
And as we all know that, we are celebrating Teachers' Day as a tribute to our former president, Dr. S. Radhakrishnan. Let's learn more about Dr. S. Radhakrishnan from Devika Ajit of Standard 10th A.
Good morning. Today I am going to speak about Dr. S. Radhakrishnan. He was the first Vice President of India and the second President of India. He was a famous teacher and his birthday is celebrated as Teachers' Day in India. He was born on September 5, 1880 at Tirupati, Madras in a poor-born family. Due to the poor economic status of his family, he completed his studies in the health and support of college. He completed his early education from various missionary schools. Besides, he takes much interest in philosophy and completed master's and bachelor's degree from philosophy. In 1923, Dr. Radhakrishnan's book, Indian Philosophy, was published. In 1947, he was elected as a member of Constitutional Assembly. He was also worked as the chairman of various universities in the world. Dr. S. Radhakrishnan was elected as the Vice President of India in 1952. He was awarded the Bharat Ratna in 1954. After serving 2 terms as Vice President, Dr. S. Radhakrishnan was selected as the President of India in 1962. He was a great man who loves to teach. For his efforts in teaching, he celebrated his birthday as Teachers' Day in India. He serves the country with his great efforts and the noble man died in 1975.
Thank you, Devika Ajit, for sharing the great knowledge. At this moment, can we make this Teachers' Day more sweeter Now, here is the Nightingale of Standard 10 with us to pleasant our mind with a lovely song.
We love you, teachers. We praise you, teachers. We thank you, teachers, for everything. We love you, teachers. We praise you, teachers. We thank you, teachers, for everything. सचेत से करते हैं हम आपको नमन, आपको नमन। सचेत से करते हैं हम आपको नमन, आपको नमन। We love you, teachers. We praise you, teachers. We thank you, teachers, for everything.
News.
Good morning all. I'm Saina Sias of 10th grade with today's news. Welcome to today's news. Firstly, headlines. Home Ministry sound alert on border amid growing tension with China. Big move by Modi government. Cabinet approves Urdu, Kashmiri, Dogri, Hindi, English as official languages of Jammu and Kashmir. 70,357 new cases in India. COVID-19 tally passed. 37 lakhs death toll rises to 66,333. In sports, cricket, IPL 2020. Nobody just turned their back on rupees 12.5 crores, says Suresh Raina, finally released by the pulled out of IPL. Music. That's all for the news today. This is Saina Sia signing off from St. Joseph News Desk. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thought for the day.
For the day. The true teachers are those who help us think for ourselves. Dr. S. Radhakrishnan. I repeat, the true teachers are those who help us think for ourselves. Dr. S. Radhakrishnan.
National anthem.